But what is the biggest danger? Well, the biggest danger to blockchain from quantum computing is its potential ability to break traditional encryption. There are different cryptographic algorithms in use by cryptocurrency, and on each, the quantum computer has a different impact. In short, there are two different. One are the certificates and digital signatures, and we can sum up and make the point already that the Shor's algorithm could break currently deployed asymmetric ciphers, such as digital signatures. The second cipher are the cryptographic hash functions and password hashing. And in conclusion, even using the Grover's algorithm, it is currently believed to be essentially impossible to break a hash function. So in short, the Shor's algorithm could break, but using the Grover's algorithm, it is impossible to break.